This video will show you how to replace the M.2 Solid-state Drive inside your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad T14s Gen 3 and Gen 4. You will need a screwdriver kit, a non-metallic pry tool, and 15 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard, flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your battery before removing any parts. Make sure the power adapter is disconnected from your computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the Setup menu. Select the Config menu. Select the Power menu option. Select the Disable Built-in Battery menu option. Select Yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen 5 captive screws. Use a non-metallic pry tool to unclip the cover around the edges. Lift the cover and remove it from the system. Remove the screw from the M.2 Solid-state Drive. Pull the drive from the slot. Insert the M.2 Solid-state Drive into the slot using the notch for alignment. Install the screw. Align the cover with the system and press down around the edges to lock the clips. Tighten the 5 captive screws to secure the cover in place. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. To learn more about your device, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.